Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all on behalf of Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to our research, life is equal to 15% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Irfan Institute, our aim is learn to achieve excellence in any technical skill by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself, and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering: truth, honesty, and justice. To achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering, Irfan Institute offers a course Popular IDEs for C++ programming language in Windows operating system. It is lecture number 11, Basics of Dev C++, and I am your instructor Arshi Iftikhar. Let's start with lecture outline. Inshallah, in this lecture, first I will present quick recap. After that, I will present basics of Dev C++. Let's start with quick recap. In previous lecture, I presented a step-by-step process to run your first C++ program using code blocks. Recall that the real-world problem is understand main features and learn to download, install, and run C++ programs on 5 popular IDEs for C++ programming language. And the proposed solution is learn to use 5 popular IDEs for C++ programming language including Visual Studio, Code Blocks, Dev C++, Eclipse, and NetBeans. Work done so far. Learn to use Visual Studio and learn to use Code Blocks. Work to be done. Learn to use Dev C++, learn to use Eclipse, and learn to use NetBeans. Lecture focus. The focus of the lecture is on understanding basics of Dev C++. Now I will discuss basics of Dev C++. According to official website of Dev C++, it is defined as Dev C++ is a full-featured C and C++ integrated development environment for Windows platforms. The main purpose of Dev C++ is to allow software developers to code, debug, build, run and deploy C or C++ projects. Why learn to use Dev C++? There are a number of reasons to learn Dev C++. Number 1, Dev C++ is free, open source and easy to use. Number 2, Dev C++ is simple and powerful. And number 3 is Dev C++ supports 30 plus programming languages. Now discuss the main features of Dev C++. The 4 main features of Dev C++ are as follows. Number 1 is interface. Dev C++ provides simple and user-friendly interface to develop C or C++ projects. Number 2 is lightweight and portable. Dev C++ is extremely lightweight and portable C++ IDE for Windows operating system. Number 3 is multiple compiler support. Dev C++ supports multiple GCC-based compilers like MingW, etc. And number 4 is customizable code editor. Dev C++ code editor can be easily customized. System requirements for Dev C++. The minimum system requirements of Dev C++ for the Windows operating system are as follows. Memory is 2 GB RAM, hard disk space is 500 MB of free space required, processor is 1.0 GHz Intel Pentium processor or later, and .NET 4.5 framework is required. To do and your turn. The to-do task for this part of lecture is write down one or more features of Dev C++ which are not mentioned in this lecture. Your turn task is consider the atom for C++ programming language and write down its definition, purpose, importance, main features, and system requirements. Now let's move to lecture summary. To summarize, in this lecture, I presented basics of Dev C++. In next lecture, inshallah, in next lecture, I will present a simple and step-by-step process to download Dev C++ in Windows operating system. Father of Imam Shah Waliullah Dahlvi, Honorable Shah Abdur Rahim said, all that we have received, either the reward of this world or hereafter, are the outcome of the blessings of Durood Pak. May Allah give us tawfiq to abundantly recite Durood Sharif on our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We shall be thankful to you if you may please provide your valuable feedback on this lecture. Jazakumullahu khair. May Allah bless all of us with His afiyat and karam. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.